the little screw. Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. Today's product is something weird. It is something weird, something interesting, something probably most of you will not buy. But I thought it was funny, I thought it was interesting, so I did. I'm sure you guys are familiar with what a fanny pack is. It's those little waistband, little pocket pouches that you can put on yourself and store items. They can be useful in certain situations. Most people don't like them. So, I've got a version that you probably will not like even more because it's just weird, but I think it's exciting. So we're going to open this thing up. I'll put the link to the product in the description if you do want to get your own. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here is our product. It does come in pretty standard eBay packaging, the gray plastic type. I don't think it's the bubble wrap type, but that's okay. It's not really a fragile product. We're going to go ahead and use this little multi-tool plier knife to open this bad boy up. You want to be careful opening the package so that way you don't cut into something you shouldn't cut into. Alright, so here's the product. Boom! As you could probably already tell, it looks kind of gross. It is a stomach. So let's open it up. It does come in some extra plastic to protect it from getting any nicks or anything in the shipping process. Oh my goodness! In first observation, this fanny pack is kind of large. Like, you could fit a lot of stuff in here for sure. Oh, it does. I've smelled something like that before. I think I've smelled that somewhere at like one of those like jumping places with the inflatables. So in case you need to know what the product smells like, now you do. It does not smell like a hairy stomach, just so you guys know. That is definitely a plus. You can see the hair kind of goes up above there, and in the back it's just a nice little skin tone. So that way there's not too much contrast between the skin and the front. It's got a zipper on it, which is always good. It does zip pretty smoothly. Nice. And the buckle on here seems pretty hefty. Clearly this thing must be made for people with very plus size stomachs. I do not have one of those, but I could try to get one of those if you guys need me to. You can see it is adjustable with this little strap here. It's actually really easy to adjust to your size. It's just a really funny product. It does feel well made though. Like, this material feels pretty darn high quality. It looks good from a distance. Like, it actually looks like a good stomach from a distance. As you guys can see, that looks like a big old belly button. A nice stretched out belly button. The hair's like, it's pretty high quality and detailed. It definitely matches the description of the product. There are different styled stomachs if you wanted to get something different than just the hairy stomach type. Again, I'll put the link to the product in the description. So if you wanted to get a different type of stomach, you could. I'm not sure if there are any like other racial stomachs. If there are, that'd be great. I would love to have a different race of a stomach. But this is what we've got, so I'm gonna try it on and we're gonna see how it looks. Alright guys, here it is, the stomach. We're gonna zip it up and then we're gonna buckle this thing on. So essentially, you go around, you clip it on, boom. It is adjustable, as you can see. Here, let's tighten it up. How do I look, guys? Do I look good? Put it right there. How does it look? Good? Because this is my stomach. Now, it's definitely made for larger people because I've got this thing pretty much tightened down to its max tightness, and it just fits me. So clearly it's made for people with stomachs about like that. As far as comfort-wise goes, it's pretty comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. The zipper and everything, it all works. It's a really convenient place to have a pouch, because it's just like right there. But like, the practicality of having something that looks like this and walking around in public, I would do it, but the average person probably would not do it. But I like the product. It was only not that much money. So it's very interesting. It's something that you get kind of as like a gag gift for somebody. It is practical, but it's not in a way. I like it though. It's well made. It's exactly what you pay for if you were to buy it, but I like it. So that, guys, is the, I don't even know, the stomach fanny pack pouch thing. Sure. Oh, yeah, let me just, okay. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little review of this stomach fanny pack type item. It's definitely an interesting little product, definitely something I enjoyed reviewing because it's kind of funny. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right down here, right near this fanny pack. If you want to check out the last video I did, it's up there. And if you want to check out the playlist, it's up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shot.